Hello everyone! If your summer nights are ruined by mosquitoes but you care about the bees in your backyard, I've got just the trick. Today I'm mixing up a natural mosquito spray that's tough on pests, yet it keeps our wonderful pollinators safe. Here's what you will need. 4 gallons of very warm water as it helps the mixture dissolve the best. 1 cup of garlic powder, the stronger the better. 2 tablespoons of citric acid. And a tablespoon of Castile soap. These are all safer options compared to the harsh chemical sprays on the market today, and much more affordable. But heads up, the garlic can really pack a punch. Now let us combine all the ingredients for our mosquito spray. We will start by filling a 4-gallon container with very warm water. Next, we will add in 1 cup of garlic powder, the stronger the better. Then we will add in our 2 tablespoons of citric acid powder. Finally, we will add in 1 tablespoon of Castile soap. This helps the mixture stick where spray it. Castile soap is safe for our pollinators too. Mix all ingredients very well and let sit covered overnight. This ensures that the garlic is fully dissolved so your sprayer will not clog during spraying process. This also lets the garlic infuse very well, making the spray even more effective. When you are ready, dilute the mixture into 40 gallons of water in your yard sprayer of choice, or scale it down if you have a smaller space and reserve the extra mixture to use later. Spray the mixture around the base of plants and in shady, damp spots where mosquitoes gather. Just remember, do not spray directly on flowers or garden plants. We want bees buzzing and pollinating. Most important, avoid breathing in the mist or getting in eyes. Wear a mask as well as safety glasses. Always spray with the wind at your back. That is it, a simple, natural, bee-friendly mosquito solution. If this helps you as well as did us, please like, share, and subscribe. This also helps us grow our channel. Thank you and have a bee-happy day, and here's to a bite-free, bee-happy summer as well.